Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, in this video I'm gonna coming with the newly exclusive collections only in the print section. First of all, in my hand, in these kind of very beautiful one of the concepts in the Indian traditional concepts in the varieties of silk or in the varieties of print also you will be getting here only. See, in these kind of beautiful elephant golden jaried work or Indian traditional concepts also you will be getting here only. Guys, will remind you, single pieces will not be delivered, set wise you have to purchase. And talking about the investments you have to done in this kind of textile industry, or you are a wholesalers in one of the abroad countries like Berlin, Australia or America, many of the countries, Switzerland, these kind of countries customers are also we are having from one of the beautiful customers from it's either will be Switzerland or either will be the Netherlands, New Zealand. Many of the customers are there, they are coming and they are preferring us because we are providing all the sarees at the reasonable, at the very beginning factory rate. Any of the ladies wear concepts, first of all, in my hand in this kind of variety, I am just going only the randomly. See, 269 rupees per pieces, 8 pieces you will be get, and apart from that this kind of variety also you will be get. See, name of the concepts will be Sun Silk, 240, 269 rupees will be there. Starting range of the Kesaria Textile Company will be the 61. I am just going randomly for them because you are saying the range will be high, 200, 300, that kind of ranges you will be get. So let me tell you 100, 105, 115, 120, 50, that kind of ranges are also there. Because I am not showing them, because I am just going only the randomly. See, one of the fine work in these kind of concepts on the variety of silk crepe, 6.30 meter length you will be get, and this kind of variety you will be get in just many of the concepts on. See, beautiful concepts you will be get. See, in this kind of variety also we will be provide you on. See, 6 to 7 different color shades and many of the occasional wear sarees also we will be manufactured here. And telling to these kind of concepts, many of the southern regional concepts in the brasso items also we are manufacturing here only. So guys, if you are interested in the southern regional brasso type concepts, then also you are welcomed here. Like, let me tell you, these kind of 285 ranges will be there, 8 pieces you will be get, chiffon concepts you will be get. Let me open for you. See, see, in this kind of variety also you will be getting here on. Tulip with blouse items. Let's open one of these kind of concepts. Guys, talking and comparing about many of the fabrics or many of the companies rate with us, then also we are manufacturing with the reasonable rate also, and some these kind of particular concepts. See, you can take the screenshot if you are liking any of our products. See, we guys 20 to 25 different ladies wear category we are providing under one roof only. So there is no need to go 10 to 15 different shops. Just visit one and only Kesaria Textile Company. So guys, in this video that's all. Please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button to get the regular updates and notifications of our video. Give your precious opinions, reviews and feedbacks in our comment sections. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye. साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का